Hello everyone? Sometimes the camera starts rolling just seconds before everything goes wrong. A sudden failure, a risky decision, or a moment no one saw coming. In this video, we'll look at incredible moments filmed right before disaster struck and break down what made each situation so dangerous. Let's get into it. A thief stole a yacht, but quickly realized he couldn't maneuver it.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
Sometimes you shouldn't help blindly when the situation clearly isn't safe. That must have been a collision. You should never sleep while navigating.
Dragging on the ground. Trailer dragging. He's driving on the grass. Trailer's dragging on the ground.
Not sure that was the direct shortcut to the harbor.
Tires! What is he doing? Oh my god. Trailer dragging.
Quick question for the boating experts. What mistake was made here? How do you even end up stuck like that? I think he wanted to drive straight onto the runway. Why does he keep pushing the engine?
What do you mean you don't know? Hey, hold on. Did this boat get hit? Oh my god. Who yanked what?
Too big to fit. Should have taken measurements first. At some point, the guy gets tired of maneuvering and decides to try something. Avoid getting too close to the water, unlike this pickup. Here we can see the difference between a millionaire and a billionaire.
Oh. Hold on! Oh my god, it's tipping over.
Apparently the SUV isn't big enough for this yacht. Who said a USB cable isn't strong? Getting your jet ski back on the trailer after the fun is over isn't easy. It hurts to see two yachts rubbing against each other like that. On top of his boat, he's definitely getting phone signal. Okay, now I have no idea what's going on. Everything is normal, just a boat passing by.
Right over the driver's seat.
When towing your boat, make sure you do it properly.
Damage.
Yeah, it's somebody's work truck.
It's probably a company truck too.
Yeah, no, it is.
Licensed to smell.
Launching your boat can come with surprises. Better to let a professional handle it.
That's a brand new Chevy too.
That's cool, man. There's a trailer. Hey, it's okay.
He has become part of the boat. Oh, he's got the gap.
Not sure the boat will arrive in one piece. Better cancel the trip right there. You have to be especially careful inside harbors. You come to launch your boat, and somehow your car ends up in the water too. Where is the air filter on these models? That's going way too fast, in my opinion.
Yep.
Once again, lack of precaution causes damage to boats.
No. No, Yep.
Just a quick express wash. I think this is the wrong way to launch a boat.
Go! Jump, let go of it, let go of it.
Has anyone ever tried jet skiing on ice? Maneuvering in a harbor is clearly not easy.
It's moving. Just, yeah. Yep. just slow down. Slow down. Slow down now. Slow down.
Next time, avoid asking just anyone to launch your boat.
Let the water run out. Let the water run. There you go. You want to jump though. Yeah. Keep it going. Tell them to keep it slow like that.
Well, he wanted the carpets washed.
Don't let him close that door. That thing gets loose, you might be in it.
He wants to steer it.
Are you trying to put a boat in or pull a boat out or what the hell?
What happened, PC? Oh, there's a trailer.
Where's the boat? Where's the boat?
Oh, he hit it. Someone go help him. Mom, grab your phone.
In this situation, the risk is real. The guy should not have jumped into the water to try to stop the boat. Better to call the authorities.
Oh!
What happened? The accelerator get caught?
Fell out, but he turned up the thing.
Oh my God.
Not all boats are suitable for transport. Very lucky.
Personal facts. Personal. How'd the car get this far?
There it goes. There it goes.
How'd it get this far?
I honestly don't know what to say about all these cars ending up in the water by mistake.
Somebody was drunk.
No.
I've never seen anything like this. I don't want to come.
Here's Michael Phelps towing his boat.
Not a towboat. Looks like his engine like blew off.
Bad boat launch by this Lexus. A stunning video showing what a boat racing driver feels.
There's a trim button. Trim button.
He doesn't seem to hear the people around him.
There's a button for trim. There's a trim button. Trim button.
Make sure your trailer is properly attached.
It's okay.
Having money and a yacht does not automatically give you navigation skills.
Cógete, cógete, cógete. Cógela. Ya está. Ah, la llave. ¿Puedes tirar la llave?
I see Grandpa coming with his boat. Watch out in front.
What the dude? What the?
Does anyone know what these tires are for? This boat is about to make 2 mistakes. I'm curious to see if you can spot them.
Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God!
The sea is way too calm here.
No problem. We'll come back.
Here is the sea inspector in full action.
Bring it back over, guys, man.
I don't think he can start it there. Spectacular race, no injuries. You made it to the end, and somehow the camera survives too. If you enjoy shocking close calls, sudden disasters, and incredible moments caught on camera, make sure to subscribe and check out these 2 videos next. Until the next one, stay alert, think twice, and stay safe out there.